Hi guys, today we are in Sydney at Divine Rock Care at Tam. We arrived here to make a service of Protima machines. Tam bought the machines from us in 2019. Right now we're gonna show you how they look like after 5 years, what we need to do to fix them, because not all of the machines operating in a proper way right now, because they were used in a different way, not according to the recommendations, but still they're good enough. They worked too much already and they looked not bad, and we're gonna make a service and we're gonna show you what we are going to do right now and how the whole crackling point looks like. So it's gonna be interesting. Follow us, please. So right now we are inside. We can see that this is the place where all the already clean rugs are waiting for the customers to be picked up. There is a place where the carpets and rugs are repaired because they have such a service, reparation. There's a drying room over here, and you can see it's high temperature inside. These rugs are already dry and can be already rolled up and ready for the customers. Ventilators for the air circulation inside, because it's very important. This is the way it is organized here. Pretty good. So right now we're gonna see the machines. This is the place that the rugs are cleaned with a scrubber machine. And this is 2 centrifuges. The big one, 4.5 meters. And there is a problem over here with the door, with the hub. Actually, we need to fix it. We'll show you how it looks when it's already fixed. This is the place with the problem also, and it is a common problem. It is very important to grease in this place all the time, to have greasing in order to prevent such a problem, such an issue. This is a smaller machine, 3.3 meters, and this is the way it looks after 5 years and 500 work hours. Both machines have actually approximately the same number of worked hours, and this is the wash tub. This is what has happened to the machine and the reason of it is too much water in the wash tub. It was like this, and it's not okay. It has to be like one third of the lowest one. Okay. And the duster. The duster is okay. We just need to clean it a bit, and we need to change the dusting belts here inside. They were not changed actually for 5 years. So we're gonna change them, clean, and check the whole machine. But I already started it and it's pretty good. It's working okay. So yeah, this is a new hub, and we're gonna change it. Okay. So please follow us for more information. And if you need any service of your machines, you know how to contact me. See you.